What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today's video is a 2013 Subaru Forester. It's a kid hauler, so there's plenty of stains throughout the whole vehicle, especially on the rear seats, and the driver's side and passenger side are pretty bad as well. So I'm going to be spending a lot of time doing extraction. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, guys, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go around and do a full interior vacuum, pick up anything we can from the console, and then start tackling the seats and the carpet. Now these carpets were an absolute nightmare to vacuum. It was really low quality carpet. Everything was embedded deep into it. I had to use the drill brush several times and I just still wasn't able to get everything up. Here I'm spraying down some of my carpet solution, trying to tackle this stain that was spilled between the passenger seat and the center console. Now these seats were absolutely a mess. That's actually the reason that the owner brought the vehicle in. She wanted to see if there was anything I could do, try to remove as many of the stains as I could. She has kids, so with all that mess that comes with kids, they were in pretty rough shape. So for anybody wondering what my process for cleaning these seats is, first thing I'm going to do is spray down some of my solution. Then I'm going to agitate with my drill brush to try to bring what stains I can closer to the surface. And after that's done, I'm going to go ahead and switch to extracting. Here I'm using a Bissell Spot Clean Professional. With these seats being as stained as they were, and being such a light color, I actually had to make 2 separate passes over the entire vehicle. After the first pass, I let the seats dry for about 45 minutes. That way I could see what stains still remained. Then I made another pass, repeating the process to get what stains out that were remaining. Some of them were too set in and were unable to be completely removed. Now after the seat extraction is done, I can move on to the hard surfaces of the vehicle. Here I'm spraying down some all-purpose cleaner, using my detail brush to get in all the nooks and crevices, using a microfiber towel to wipe it clean. Here I'm using 303 aerospace protectant and a microfiber applicator pad, going around all the interior surfaces, giving it that UV protection and leaving it with a nice finish. All right, y'all, that does it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any new and upcoming videos. Y'all have a good day.